horse runs fast, a sight to see. With flowing mane and pounding hooves, through fields of gold it swiftly moves. The morning sun begins to rise, a fire burns within its eyes. It leaps and soars with boundless grace, a noble heart, a thrilling chase. Its coat a gleam of chestnut bright, reflects the dawn, a golden light. Each muscle strong, each movement pure, a timeless soul that will endure. Through whispering winds and rivers wide, the horse will run with fearless pride. A loyal friend, so brave and bold, a tale of wonder softly told. In fields of green or mountain high, it races swift beneath the sky. The spirit of the horse remains, a symbol free from earthly chains. Gentle heart and mighty will, it climbs the heights, defies the hill. No fence can hold, no reins can bind. A soul so free, a heart so kind. So let it roam where dreams take flight, through endless days and starry night. The horse a wonder, fierce and true, a gift of strength in skies so blue. The whispering winds and rivers wide, the horse will run with fearless pride. A loyal friend so brave and bold, a tale of wonder softly told.